Listen, the world isn't just changing anymore, right? It's completely rewriting its own operating system from the ground up. And honestly, a lot of us are still looking for the any key. We're skipping the slow warm-ups today because the reality of the tech landscape, it absolutely does not wait for anyone to catch their breath. We are smack in the middle of this high-intensity, totally unprecedented transformation, and the rules are literally being written in real time. So in this explainer, we're stripping away all that extra fluff. We're looking directly at the source code of our modern era, the rapid evolution, and more importantly, your actual blueprint for AI adaptation. AI shift. Boom. Just like that, another breakthrough. Another massive industry completely disrupted. Every single time you refresh your feed, what happens? It's a new model, a crazy new capability, a total paradigm shift. The ground is moving beneath our feet, and I mean not just by inches, but by miles. Okay, let's dive into this because, guys, this isn't some slick science fiction movie trailer about the year 2050. No way. It is right now. It is today. It's that email you literally just got, the software you're logging into right now, the new tool that just automated a task that used to take you 3 whole days. The future has practically collapsed right into the present, and the sheer urgency of this exact moment, it absolutely cannot be overstated. But let's just pause and take a quick breath here, because when you're faced with this sudden, massive wave of transformation, a really stark realization kind of hits us, doesn't it? We are completely caught off guard. I mean, the legacy systems we built our entire careers and educations on, yeah, they definitely didn't equip us for this kind of velocity. But hey, we do not stay stuck in the problem here. We look for the solution. Adapt now. This is your mandate. Actually, scratch that. This is the central theme of our entire explainer today. We are actively moving from a state of total shock into a state of immediate, powerful action. You're not going to be left behind because we are going to break down exactly how to navigate this whole shebang. Section 1, the AI shift is here, bringing a massive wave of information overload. We are just constantly bombarded by this absolute avalanche of information. Constant news headlines, super high-intensity data, incredibly fast cuts in technology. Let me ask you directly, do you actually feel the weight of this in your day-to-day life? You know, that visceral sense of overwhelm when you just try to quickly catch up on the day's tech news? Well, you are not imagining it. The source material highlights this relentless cycle for a very good reason. It's designed to be fast, it's designed to be intense, and it creates this psychological environment where keeping up just feels like sprinting on a treadmill that keeps speeding up. Moving on to Section 2, the speed of change. Prepare for some rapid tech visuals. Look, we aren't just talking about your standard software updates anymore. Progress is compounding at breakneck speed. Imagine the fastest video montage you've ever seen in your life. Fast cuts, zooming code, complex neural networks forming in literal seconds. That right there represents the literal velocity of today's tech. So the crucial point is, we really cannot afford the luxury of procrastination. When the source explicitly states that this is already happening, it's a massive wake-up call to anyone who thinks they can just sit this round out and wait for the dust to settle. Because guess what? The dust is never going to settle. This is the new normal. Let's formalize exactly what we're feeling here. Rapid evolution is the high-intensity, continuous, and immediate advancement of AI technology that demands real-time human reaction. It's that last part that's the real kicker, isn't it? Demands real-time human reaction. It's no longer about, studying a trend for 5 years and then slowly rolling out some 10-year implementation plan. No way. It requires you, me, and literally everyone else to react, learn, and implement completely on the fly. Which brings us to Section 3, the preparedness gap. That huge friction between human and tech speed. And here is where we hit a pretty significant roadblock. While the technology is evolving super rapidly, human habits, well, they take months or even years to change. The stark reality of that gap is simply this. Confused people. Just folks staring at screens, totally unsure of what's real, what's automated, or honestly, what their job description even means anymore. It's a completely natural reaction to an unnatural speed of change. But, and this is absolutely vital to understand, it is an incredibly dangerous place to remain. And this brilliantly illustrates the ultimate choice we all face right now. The default state for most of society is sitting right there on the left, confused and unprepared, just getting tossed around by the waves. But the alternative? That's the focused learner. And guys, this isn't just some subtle difference in mindset, it is an absolute contrast in survival strategies for the modern era. Section 4, the focused learner. Let's look at a much more structured approach. So, who exactly is this focused learner? Well, this is the archetype presented in our source as the ultimate antidote to the AI shift. First off, they just ignore the confusion. When the crowd is busy panicking, they stay perfectly grounded. Second, they actively cut through all that high-intensity noise looking for actual data and real-world use cases. And third, they take proactive steps. They do not sit around waiting for their boss to train them. They log in, they experiment, they break things, and they figure it out themselves. I genuinely invite you to step into this empowered role today.
And finally, Section 5, Time to Adapt Now. Here is the blueprint.
We understand the shift, so let's move to and see how this builds. This is where theory becomes practice. Step 1, acknowledge the AI shift is already happening. We really have to stop denying it. Step 2, step away from the confused masses. Seriously, limit your intake of all that panic-driven media. Step 3, become a focused learner. Pick just one AI tool relevant to your life and master the basics. And finally, Step 4, adapt now. Execute. Put it into practice today. Do you see how simple adaptation can actually be when you structure it visually and logically like this? So I'm going to leave you with this final thought. The rapid evolution, it isn't waiting for permission. The fast cuts, the high-intensity shifts, they are the reality of the world we live in right now, today. The blueprint is literally in your hands. Are you going to stay confused with the rest of the crowd, or will you choose to become the focused learner and adapt right now? The choice is entirely yours.